How to verify your Quotex account. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. Verifying your account on Quotex is an important step to unlock higher withdrawal limits, improve your account's security, and ensure smooth trading without restrictions. So in order to do that, first of all, open the Quotex website or app and log into your account using your credentials. Once you are logged in from the home page, go to the top left corner and tap on the menu icon. Now from the expanded menu, select My Account. Inside the My Account tab, scroll down and look for this Documents Verification. Before completing your verification or getting started with the verification, you'll need to fill in your details at the top over here. Enter your name, your birth date, and then your address, and then scroll down to Documentation Verification. Click on Upload Documents. You need to go ahead and upload your government-issued identity card. After tapping on Upload Document, confirm that you read the privacy notice and notification to processing of personal data by tapping on this circle and clicking Continue. Now on the next page, make sure that you select your issuing country and then choose your document type from the bottom. Make sure that you choose any one of these documents, whichever you have available. I'm just going to tap on the driver's license. You can choose any one option and click Continue. On the next page, you'll be prompted to enter or upload your driver's license or any of your selected document. Go ahead and tap on this front size option, and then this will take you to your device's camera roll, from where you can go ahead and upload your document. Make sure that the images are clear and not blurry while uploading them, and the details are readable, and your documents are not expired. Once you go ahead and upload your document, click on this Upload Document button and follow through the prompts. Now, after uploading, double check everything, and once you are done with your submission, the verification will usually take anywhere from a few minutes to 24 to 48 hours. All you need to do then is to wait for the approval. Once the approval is done, you'll get a notification or email once it is approved. Once you are done with the verification, your Quotex account becomes more secure and fully unlocked for deposits, trading, and withdrawals. So that's how you easily verify your Quotex account. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.